Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a topic that many people are hesitant to discuss: dark underarms. Many people, both men and women, struggle with dark underarms, but the good news is that there are several effective ways to treat this problem. In this video, we'll share some simple and natural remedies that will help you get rid of dark underarms once and for all. Firstly, let's talk about the causes of dark underarms. Shaving, excessive sweating, and the use of certain deodorants and antiperspirants can cause darkening of the underarm skin. Hormonal imbalances, medical conditions such as obesity, and poor hygiene can also contribute to this problem. Now let's dive into the solutions. The first step is to exfoliate your underarms regularly. You can use a mixture of lemon juice and sugar, or baking soda and water, to scrub the underarm area gently. This will help remove dead skin cells and promote the growth of new skin cells, leaving your underarms looking lighter and brighter. Next, try using natural lightening agents such as potato juice, cucumber juice, or aloe vera gel. Simply apply the juice or gel to your underarms and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before washing it off. These natural ingredients contain enzymes and antioxidants that help lighten the skin tone and reduce the appearance of dark patches. If you prefer using store-bought products, look for deodorants and antiperspirants that are free from alcohol, fragrance, and harsh chemicals. These products can irritate the underarm skin and make the problem worse. Instead, opt for natural or organic deodorants that contain ingredients such as coconut oil, tea tree oil, or lavender oil. Finally, make sure to maintain proper hygiene and avoid wearing tight-fitting clothes that can trap sweat and bacteria. Wear loose-fitting, breathable clothing made from natural fibers such as cotton or linen. And don't forget to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. By following these simple tips and remedies, you can say goodbye to dark underarms and hello to smooth, healthy-looking skin. Remember, it's essential to be patient and consistent when treating dark underarms. With a little effort and the right products, you can achieve the results you want. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and advice.